now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
And we do have a risk for an isolated strong to severe thunderstorm as we head throughout, especially this afternoon. We're under a marginal risk from the Storm Prediction Center, which is a level 1 out of 5. That's in the green. In the yellow, it's the slight risk, which is a level 2 out of 5. The bottom line here is that there's a slightly better chance of seeing severe thunderstorms in the yellow area than compared to the marginal risk zone, but still stay weather aware as we head throughout the rest of this afternoon. Taking the latest look at live Viper radar, we have some showers that are moving through portions of Rusk County right now, northern Smith County into Wood, and also Hopkins, Franklin into Titus County, seeing a couple of lightning strikes within that activity as well. So remember, if you can hear thunder or see lightning, you are close enough to be struck by it, so make sure that you are indoors if that is the case. But overall, the more intense thunderstorms that we saw earlier this morning have since faded away. But as we head into this afternoon, we'll see new development of thunderstorms. We're really looking in this warm sector of air where you see the temperatures in the 60s and 70s. In that area, that is where we will have our chance of seeing a strong to severe thunderstorm. Notice, though, by 1 o'clock, there's also a lot of rain off to our west. Places like Athens, Corsicana, up to Sulphur Springs. This is just a cold or chilly rain for us, with those temperatures mainly in the 50s as that rain moves on through. But then as we head into the mid-afternoon hours, it's when this line starts to intensify, is when we'll have to watch the closest. Between about 2 and 4 o'clock is when we will probably see the strongest storms developing across East Texas. But after 6 o'clock, those storms are out of here. We'll be left with a few lingering showers through your Wednesday evening. Again, by 6 o'clock this evening, still a few showers left over, but for the most part, the clouds are getting out of here, and it will lead to us seeing clear skies overnight tonight, with temperatures dropping down to the upper 30s and low 40s, which is right at average for the morning lows. So we will wake up Thursday morning to those clear skies out there, see that sunshine throughout the day. By your lunchtime hours, temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s on your Thursday. But to recap the severe weather threat for today, it's a low-end threat, not expecting major problems. I have damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour in the low to medium range there. Tornadoes, flash flooding, large hail, although not impossible. Again, certainly the threat for that is low, and the severe weather threat will last until about 6 o'clock this evening. But like I just said, again, most of us will be in the clear. There is a fine, a sharp dividing line between that warm sector and then the air behind the cold front. It's 54 in Tyler, but if you leave Tyler and head to Longview and step out of your car, it's going to be a whole lot warmer. It's 71 degrees right now in Longview and only 54 in Tyler, 48 in Athens. So the cold front is pretty obvious where it is, that warm air out ahead of it. 74 in Nacogdoches and in Lufkin, but only 55 in Crockett. Now, the normal high temperature is 60 degrees. We are going to be above that today and tomorrow, but then by Friday, look at that big temperature drop. We get another cold front moving in, and this one's a strong one in the sense of the cold air behind it. And if you've been enjoying the spring-like weather as of late, be prepared for Friday to be a whole lot different, with those highs only in the upper 40s, with winds at 20 miles per hour is going to make things feel even colder than it actually is out there. Now, we will moderate the temperatures, though, as we head into next week. We're back into the mid-60s by Tuesday of next week. To recap for today, we will see periods of rain and storm, some of them on the stronger side. We kind of have a lull in the activity right now, but I do expect more rain to increase this afternoon. Temperatures mainly in the 60s, with winds out of the southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And then for tonight, we will see clearing skies out there. It will be cooler, with those temperatures dropping down to the upper 30s and low 40s. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. We are going to see these temperatures cool down for Friday, but then warm right back up into the weekend. More showers return for Monday and Tuesday as our next storm system arrives. And then for deep East Texas, and isolated severe storms possible today. Then we're dry and warm for Thursday, dry and much colder for Friday, warming through the weekend with showers returning on Monday and Tuesday.